Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm very delighted to let you know one of my clever students, and he is going to tell us about his English study. So, let's welcome and let's get started.
How do you do, teacher? And hello, everyone. My name is Hong Soo Kim. I'm 17 years old. Nowadays, I'm a student of Edward International School, Branch, studying English 1A book. Today, I'm very delighted to conduct a presentation of a topic called My English Study. Before I start my presentation, let me pay a respect to Mr. Konkom, the president of Edward International School, staff, teacher, and all beloved friends. So now let's get through to our topic. Every day I study English grammar English at Edward International School because I want to become very good at it. I listen to English audio to improve my listening skill. I also read many books in English to learn new words and understand how sentences are built. Every morning I practice speaking English by repeating sentences out loud. I also study English grammar with my teacher who explains everything clearly. When I meet my friends, we try to speak English together to practice more. This makes me feel proud and motivated. I know that by working hard every day, I will become fluent in English. Step by step, I am getting better. I'd like to say that my English study improved rapidly since I changed my previous school to EDIS. At the end, I'd like to say that thank you, teacher, and thank you everyone for your paying attention to my presentation. Wish you all the best and get success in all part of your life, all forever and always. My recommendation, EDIS offer is a real knowledge of English. Don't hesitate, come and join in EDIS program if you wish to get achievement in your English study.